Harvey went faster and faster as he hurried down the slope with the heavy train pushing him forward.
Pulling a heavy train downhill is much easier than I thought.
But when Harvey reached the next bend, he suddenly realized that he was going much too fast to be safe. Luckily, nobody was hurt.
Oh, I knew I shouldn't have pulled those flatbeds. I didn't think I'd be any good at it. Oh, I hope Bill and Ben don't see me. They would say teasy things.